The Big Island family whose 3-year-old boy died while in foster care is seeking answers and hopes someone out there has information on their son's last days. Today, a judge lifted parts of a gag order, meaning the family is now allowed to talk. Big Island police say Fabian Garrett Garcia died at a hospital in Waimea on July 25th. Manolo Morales follows up. Manolo?
Joe, the family tells us that all they want right now is to find out exactly how and why their 3-year-old boy died. And since they're not getting information from the state or investigators, they want the public to help. Big Island police tell us that on July 25th, paramedics went to the home of the foster parents in Waimea and tried to revive Fabian, who was not breathing. He was then rushed to North Hawaii Community Hospital, where he died. The state's Child Welfare Services branch issued a gag order on the case days later, which the family's attorney argued in court Tuesday was too restrictive.
The previous gag order was unconstitutional and deprived the parents of the ability to speak to police, speak to even a family counselor.
Foster tells me the new gag order will at least allow the family to talk to investigators as well as a family counselor to discuss their grief. They can now also ask the public for help. Fabian's parents released a statement saying, "We have very little information about how Fabian died or the events and circumstances leading up to his death. If anyone has any information, we ask that you come forward."
Any leads, any information whatsoever, as minute or as insignificant as it may seem to people out there, we ask that they come forward so we can provide the family the answers that they deserve.
Child Welfare Services is not allowed to discuss specific cases, but the assistant administrator did agree to talk about gag orders in general and why the state needs to put them in place.
We need to do our investigation, so does law enforcement, and you want none of that to be tainted by information that's incomplete or misinformation for that matter.
Goss tells me that in her 33 years at Child Welfare Services, she's only aware of 5 cases where a gag order was issued, and it's ultimately to protect the children, parents, and foster parents, also known as resource caregivers.
When information is released prematurely or it's not based on fact, you do a lot of damage to the children, the parents, the resource caregivers, the system, to our staff.
The medical examiner has not released the cause of death, so it's unknown if foul play was involved. We'll keep checking and let you know when that information is released. Manolo Morales, KHON 2 News.